Hi guys, I'm back and this is the chicken that I have baked in the oven and I'm getting ready to put my sauce on it. This will be Parmesan garlic chicken and I have my butter in the skillet. I'm using minced garlic. I'm putting in some dried parsley flakes and I'm using Parmesan cheese. And once I get this sauce ready and get it poured over these chicken flats and drums, I'll come right back. Okay guys, this is the final product. This is Parmesan garlic chicken. And look at it. It is delicious. It is so good. So it's a simple recipe and you all can try it too. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe, press that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you can be reminded of all uploads. And I thank you so much for joining. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for following. Thank you for the thumb up. And this is Patty's Southern Kitchen. We will talk to you soon. Goodbye.